हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू प्रायश एजू। सो स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीखेंगे क्लास 5 ईवीएस पार्ट 1 में जो हमारा 21st चैप्टर है, बिजी एट वर्क अवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर सीखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के हमारे इस वीडियो को। और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे है आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाई डू वी ब्रीथ कंटिन्यूअसली? एंड द आंसर इज इट इज नेसेसरी फॉर द body to get a continuous supply of oxygen. We get this oxygen from the air through breathing. That is why we breathe continuously. Next question is name respiratory system organs, and the answer is nose, trachea, lungs, the diaphragm together make the respiratory system. Next question है what is a diaphragm, and the answer is between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity there is an organ like a flexible sheet. It is called a diaphragm. Next question is what happens during diaphragm movement, and the answer is when the diaphragm moves downward we breathe in and in the incoming air fills the alveoli in the lungs. When the diaphragm moves upwards, air in the lungs is pushed out. Next question is what is gland, and the answer is gland is an organ that secretes a certain substance. Next question है what are the ends of alimentary canal? The upper end of alimentary canal is the mouth and the lower end is called the anus. Next question is what is bolus? The teeth, tongue and saliva all help to convert food into a soft moist ball called a bolus, which is easy to swallow. The bolus passes through the esophagus into the stomach. Next question is how much is the length of small intestine and large intestine in an adult? And the answer is in an adult small intestine is about 7 meter long and the large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. Next question है what is the need to drink sufficient quantity of water? And the answer is a sufficient quantity of water is necessary for the processes of digestion to take place properly as well as for the food to keep moving through the alimentary canal. Next question is why could one feel choke during eating? And the answer is when food is swallowed, the windpipe remains closed. But when we eat in a hurry, the food may enter the windpipe and cause us to choke on it. Next question is what is enamel? And the answer is even tooth has a covering and enamel which protect the delicate inner parts of the tooth. Next question is name any 5 organs of digestive system, and the answer is mouth, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus are some of the organs of digestive system. Next question is what is the need of oxygen reaching all parts of the body? And the answer is when the oxygen in the blood reaches the different parts of the body, it helps the slow burning of these substances, giving energy to the body. The body uses this energy to carry out all its tasks. Next question is what is blood circulation? And the answer is the process of keeping the blood flowing through all parts of the body is called blood circulation. Next question is what is circulatory system? The heart and the network of blood vessels together form the circulatory system. Next question is what is coordination? And the answer is coordination means paying attention to all the different functions and ensuring that they all occur at the right time and in right manner. Next question what is nervous system? And the answer is there is a network of nerves that carry messages to and from between the brain and the parts of the body. The brain and the network of nerves are together called the nervous system. Next question is what is it dangerous to drive after drinking alcohol? And the answer is drinking alcohol affects the nervous system, leading to loss of control over the movement of the body and lack of coordination. That is why it is dangerous to drive after drinking alcohol. Next question is, what is skeletal system? And the answer is, the skeletal system gives support and shape to the body and protects the important organs inside it. Next question is, what is excretory system? And the answer is, the excretory system expels the waste substances that are formed in the body. नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली. द आंसर इज अ सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर इज नेसेसरी फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन टू टेक प्लेस प्रॉपरली एज वेल एज फॉर द फूड टू कीप मूविंग थ्रू द एलिमेंट्री कैनल. If one does not drink enough water, one becomes constipated, that is, one passes hard stool or does not pass it regularly. None of the other tasks in the body can go on without water. The water that is absorbed during digestion is the water that is used for all other processes in the body. That is why it is so important to drink adequate quantities of water. Next question is, explain how blood circulation helps energy reaching every part of our body. And the answer is, as a result of respiration, oxygen enters the blood in the body and spreads to all parts of the body. Substances formed in the process of digestion also mix with the blood and reach all parts of the body. Of these, some substances act as fuel for the body when the oxygen in the blood reaches the different parts of the body. It helps the slow burning of these substances, giving energy to the body. The body uses this energy to carry out all its tasks. Next question is, what is nervous system? And the answer is, coordination means paying attention to all the different functions and ensuring that they all occur at the right time and in the right manner. Maintaining this coordination is the function of the brain. There is a network that connects the brain with all the different parts of the body. This is a network of nerves that carry messages to and from between the brain and the parts of the body. The brain and the network of nerves are together called the nervous system. The nervous system functions to coordinate all our bodily functions. Next question is, what are ill effects of drinking alcohol? And the answer is, drinking alcohol has many ill effects on the body. It affects the nervous system, leading to loss of control over the movement of the body and lack of coordination. That is why it is dangerous to drive after drinking alcohol. If one keeps drinking alcohol for a long period of time, it causes ulcers on the inner lining of the digestive organs. It can also seriously affect the functions of the liver and kidneys. सो स्टूडेंट, ये थे एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर जो हमने आपके लिए तैयार किए थे. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. सो स्टूडेंट, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.